Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and in our recipe today we are going to make plantain fry. It is a South Indian dish. Let's see how this plantain is being done in the South India. Let's get into the next step. Hello viewers, to make this plantain fry or chips, so we need to clean the plantain. So I will start off by cutting the top. And the bottom. And with this, we need to peel using a peeler. Just the green layer, the outer layer, and clean the rest of the pieces. And for this, now we have to slice them into small pieces. So I'm going to start off, I'll just cut the middle first. And then it's not supposed to be too thick or too thin. Approximately about this thickness, as you can see. So I will cut them all and then I'll be back with you. The plantain is already sliced. Dear viewers, our next step is to blanch this slices of the plantain for approximately about 2 minutes. So just drop them. With this, I'm adding a pinch of turmeric powder and give it a quick mix, and we'll blanch it for 2 minutes. Dear viewers, it is now more than 2 minutes, so it's time to fish it out. And we'll let it cool. And here viewers, our next set of ingredients are, starting off with a wet ingredient, it is tamarind extract. If you do not know how to make the tamarind extract, I have a video on it and I will link it down on my description box. And I have one generous heap of teaspoon of rice flour. I have some salt according to your taste. I have red chili powder and Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon. I'll be using about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and I have half a teaspoon of garam masala, and I have 2 teaspoons of fish curry powder, or seafood curry powder, fish curry powder, whichever you want to use. So let's see how the marination is to be made. In a bowl, so add the fish curry powder, the garam masala. I do have a video on how to make garam masala powder in your own home, and I will link it down in the bottom. And we will add the chili powders, red chili powder and Kashmiri red chili powder for the coloring, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and also some salt. I'm using approximately about half a teaspoon or less than that. And with this, I'll be mixing the tamarind juice. You got to make a thick paste. As you see, the liquid has been absorbed by the powder. So now it's time to add more. At this stage, we can add the rice powder, all of them, and give it a quick mix. Why I use rice powder is to give some crispiness. And we'll add a little bit more of the tamarind juice. The paste is ready. Now, dear viewers, we will just dip them one at a time, like this, each slices, and arrange them on the plate. Immerse them completely. If you cut too thin, this is what will happen. So just keep it about slightly thicker, but not too thick. And I will come back when I'm finished. Dear viewers, our marination of the plantain is ready. But now we have to marinate this at least about few hours. About 1 hour is the minimum. But I'm running out of time for now, and I'm going to leave it in the fridge, cover it with a sling wrap, and leave it in the fridge, and I will fry them. I'll be back with you later to show you how to fry them. And see you later, dear viewers. Welcome back, dear viewers. Our plantain has already been marinated well. So now it's time to deep fry, and so let's get into the kitchen. So we have here the preheated oil. Let's test and see before we deep fry them. A small piece to see if it's already getting fried. Oh, the oil is well hot, so we can drop the plantain. As we see, it starts to float, so we could start to flip them up, flip them down, and let the other part, the top part, to be cooked as well. Dear viewers, the plantain has already been well cooked, and now we can remove them. and add the next batch. And dear viewers, here is our final product of the plantain fry, and this is the way the South Indians used to do, and it goes very well with rice or bread or chapati or anything that you desire to eat them, or you can eat them just as it is with a cup of tea or anything, that it is on self-preference. And also this is also a vegetarian dish, which is like now during the Ramadan season. It is a perfect dish that goes together with anything. So I wish that you will try in your homes, and let me know in your comments. Thank you for watching this video, and also those who are new, please like and subscribe to the video channel, and I will see you in my next videos. Until then, bye bye, and thank you for all those who have been here faithfully. And I do respond to every comments that you post, and I would love to hear from your comments. Negative or positive, all is good. So do send me a comment. Thank you, and see you again. Bye bye.